a longer slice torch. We're using 44-inch sticks now instead of the 22s. Should work a lot better. Cutting right now about 2 inches thick of titanium. Pretty soon he's going to run into some 9-inch thick titanium. It's a box on the end, and it goes back towards the tail of the plane, then it goes down 9 inches, and then it comes forward, again being about 2 inches thick. This is the only way to cut this stuff. It's a slice torch. The arc welder is only there to start the fire. The rod he's using is a steel rod. It's round and shooting pure oxygen right down the center of it.